sliding door windows off track can totally mess with your day, making it a pain to open or close them smoothly. So, if your sliding door window is acting up, first check if the track is clean because dirt and grime love to build up there and cause trouble. Grab a vacuum or a brush and get that track spotless. Next, look at the rollers underneath the window. If they're worn out or broken, you'll need to replace them to get things gliding like new. Don't forget to lubricate the track and rollers with a silicone-based spray. It helps everything slide without sticking. Make sure the window is aligned properly by adjusting the screws on the rollers, so it sits right in the track. If the frame is bent or damaged, you might have to call in a pro because fixing that can get tricky. Keep an eye on the weather stripping too. If it's old or cracked, swapping it out can make a huge difference in how the door moves. Lastly, avoid forcing the window open when it's stuck, because that can cause more damage and cost you more money. One of the biggest problems with sliding door windows off track is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to dirt buildup and sticky doors. Just clean the tracks every few months to stop this. Another common issue is broken rollers that make sliding super tough. Swapping these out can fix your problem fast. The third mistake people make is not checking alignment, which causes the window to jam or come off track. Adjusting the roller screws usually sorts this out without needing a new door. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff about sliding door repairs. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with homeowners who need reliable help.